Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking all about the business formation service, LegalZoom. As a business owner, for me, the worst part of starting a business is dealing with all the legal stuff. It's such a time-consuming and at times confusing process, and I think most business owners who have done it before would probably agree. So if you're thinking of starting an LLC or limited liability company, save yourself the time and headaches and hire a professional service to start your business for you. Personally, my choice is LegalZoom. I've used them for my LLC and have been happy with the process and services they offer. So I wanted to make this video to talk about my experience with them, what they offer, their price, some features most people don't know about, and what they do really well and maybe not so well. Now, before we get started, I want to mention my review is in no way sponsored by LegalZoom. I make these videos so that you can see what these services offer so that you can decide what is the best fit for you. Now, if at any point you decide you'd like to try LegalZoom for yourself, check out the affiliate link down in the description for a discount you wouldn't be able to find on your own. Now, LegalZoom isn't new. They've been starting companies for people totally online for over 20 years, and in that time have helped over 2 million businesses. Now, they don't only form LLCs. They offer some other services that not every formation site does, like legal support, the ability to form different types of entities like C Corps, S Corps, and registering a DBA or doing business as. If you're not sure which business type is best for you, LegalZoom can help you with that too. So I've used LegalZoom for over a year now, and I started my LLC with them. I found the process to be really straightforward. All you need to really get started with them is a business name. From there, LegalZoom will check to make sure the name you want is available in the state you're registering your business. Now, the website will only check for names within the state because LLCs are formed at the state level. If you have aspirations of running your business nationwide, or at least want to make sure no one else can use your business name, you can get a trademark on your business name as long as it isn't already trademarked. So it doesn't hurt to check the U.S. Trademark and Patent Office first to make sure the name you want is in the clear. Once you pick your name, you'll answer some basic questions about your business. Pick a plan with LegalZoom, pay, fill out a few forms, give your details, and they will take the completed application and forward it to your state. And there was a waiting period. Of course, I opted to speed things up as much as possible by paying around $100 in expedited costs. And they kept me in the loop with any updates on my application. And I thought it was really helpful that they offer in-house legal support as well as a full library of legal templates to use, which ended up saving me some money on legal fees. And they included a guide on which permits and licenses I needed to operate my business, which really helped me make sure that I was staying legal.
That being said, LegalZoom also offers services for non-US citizens. They'll assist you with forming US companies, such as LLCs or corporations, even if you're based outside of the United States. However, there are specific requirements that may vary depending on the service and your country of residence. So it's better to check their website or contact their customer service just to be sure.
Now, in terms of plans, they have 3 to choose from. First is their basic plan. Now, this option is definitely affordable because it's, well, free. You won't have to pay them anything, but you will need to pay any state fees for registering your business. Now, if you do choose to purchase their a la carte services like an EIN or employer identification number, which is a federal tax number for your business, or an operating agreement, which is a blueprint for your business, you can get these services on your own, or you can have LegalZoom get them for you. Now, there's no obligation to get these services from them, but having them is important for your business and in some states required. So I would definitely consider having LegalZoom get those for you or make plans ahead of time to get them. Their next plan is the Pro Plan, which costs $249 a year. This option includes the EIN, an operating agreement, a small business expert consultation, their business licenses and permits guide, which basically shows you what permits and licenses you need to operate your business and how to get them, as well as an insurance consultation. And if you want, they'll refer you to their affiliate insurance company called Next, which will probably end up saving you some money on insurance. And finally, they have their most inclusive plan, the premium plan, which costs $299 a year. It includes all the features from the Pro plan and gives you extra things like a consultation with a lawyer, copyright registration for patenting products or designs, and a full library of customizable legal templates, which can save you a lot on legal fees. Now, personally, I think the fact that they throw in a consultation with a lawyer is really the icing on the cake. Having that service provided to me saved me a lot of time and headaches trying to find a reasonably priced lawyer on my own. Now, if you have your sights set on running your business online, even just a little bit, they offer you the chance to start using your site using Wix. They'll let you design your own site and host it with them entirely for free. But if you want to get rid of their branding on your site, it does cost extra. If you don't want to pay extra, your website URL will look a bit odd. Instead of www.mybusinessname.com, it would look like www.mybusinessname.wix.com. So I'd recommend considering a paid option because that kind of thing can confuse customers and make it harder to find your website.
Also, if you need help with accounting, they no longer offer accounting and tax filing services. Now, I understand a lot of people do use their own accounting firms, and I do too, but personally, I think it would have saved me a bit of money if they'd offer these services as a bundle package.
I've been using their premium plan for my business because I'd figured for $50 more, it'd be worth it to run a few questions that I had by one of their lawyers and get the legal templates, which would run a lot more than $50 if I went to a lawyer for those services separately. Now, I have checked out other business formation services in the past, like Zen Business. While they offer a lot of the same services, LegalZoom offers a bit more. And they offer things like legal support, which I found really helpful. Okay, so in terms of my overall experience, getting everything filed was really easy. I liked how they weren't just a click here and move on service. They really tried to educate me on what the legal terms mean. If you are left with any questions, their support is available 24/7. And yes, I actually used their customer support to answer a few questions when filling out the paperwork. They're really transparent about their pricing, breaking down the costs in a really simple to understand way. Now again, if you want to try them out and save a bit of money, check out the affiliate link I included in the description because it'll automatically apply a discount you won't find directly on their website. So at the end of the day, would I recommend LegalZoom? Yes. They made starting my LLC a whole lot quicker than if I was doing it myself, and they even followed up with me throughout my first year in business to make sure that everything was going smoothly. And if you choose to stick with them after that, you can always renew subscriptions for things like legal support and copyright protection, which can come in handy. Now, these services are charged on a monthly basis along with your annual plan, but I still think that they're still a lot cheaper than even a reasonably priced lawyer, at least in my experience.
While I found their service to be easy to use overall, I will say that I wish they'd have accounting and tax filing services as a bundle package to avoid hiring an accounting firm. Overall, it's a solid option for quick and simple legal services, but it's not a full replacement for personalized legal advice when things get more complex. I personally recommend LegalZoom to any of my friends and family looking to start a business, and I would definitely recommend you do the same. Even if you have started a business before, LegalZoom can help you save yourself some time, potentially some money, and definitely some headaches. And that does it for today's video. If you liked the video and found it helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to see more reviews like this in the future. And if you would like to try LegalZoom for yourself, check out the affiliate link down in the description to get a discount that you wouldn't be able to find on your own. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop those down in the comments and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video.